Did you know that nearly 20,000 residential fires each year are the result of poorly maintained furnace flues? That's right. This shocking statistic is a stark reminder about the dangers of neglecting furnace flue maintenance. We often overlook the importance of such maintenance tasks, but the potential risks and hazards associated with poorly maintained furnace flues are immense. From carbon monoxide poisoning, a silent killer that is odorless and colorless, to devastating house fires that can result in loss of property and even life. A furnace flue in disrepair can cause chimney fires that quickly spread, wreaking havoc in their wake. These are not just abstract risks, they are real and present dangers that could be lurking in your home right now due to a neglected furnace flue. So let's not ignore this vital aspect of home safety. Don't become a statistic. It's time to take furnace flue maintenance seriously. Meet Emberstone Charlotte, your trusted partner in ensuring your home's safety and efficiency. Nestled in the heart of Charlotte, North Carolina, we are a dedicated team of professionals committed to safeguarding your home from potential hazards. Our mission? To provide excellent service that goes beyond mere transactional interactions. We aim to foster relationships with homeowners, becoming a reliable resource in maintaining the safety and efficiency of the home. With a firm grounding in the chimney cleaning, inspection, and repair industry, Emberstone Charlotte understands the importance of a well-maintained furnace flue. We are aware that negligence in this area can lead to hazardous situations, compromising the safety of your home and those who dwell within it. Our team of professionals works tirelessly to ensure that such situations are avoided. We provide comprehensive services that include routine inspections, timely cleaning, and necessary repairs, all aimed at maintaining the optimal functioning of your furnace flue. But our commitment does not stop at providing services. Emberstone Charlotte believes in empowering homeowners with knowledge. We take time to explain the importance of regular furnace flue maintenance, helping you understand why it's crucial to the safety and efficiency of your home. We break down complex technical jargon, making it easy for you to grasp the intricacies of furnace flue maintenance. We pride ourselves on our transparency, ensuring that you are aware of the work we do, why we do it, and how it contributes to the overall safety and efficiency of your home. We believe that an informed homeowner is a confident homeowner, one who can make decisions that best suit their home's needs. At Emberstone Charlotte, we are not just service providers. We are partners, committed to ensuring the safety and efficiency of your home. We believe that every home deserves the best care, and we strive to provide just that, one furnace flue at a time. Emberstone Charlotte, we're here to keep your home safe and efficient. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from some of our satisfied customers. First up, we have Jessica, a homeowner from the heart of Charlotte. She recalls, "When I moved into my house, the furnace flue was in desperate need of attention. Emberstone Charlotte not only thoroughly cleaned it, but their team also educated me about the importance of regular maintenance. Their professionalism and dedication to service were truly impressive." Then there's Michael, another Charlotte resident. He shares, "I had no idea how vital furnace flue maintenance was until I met the Emberstone Charlotte team. Their comprehensive inspection revealed several issues that could have led to major problems down the line. Thanks to them, I now have peace of mind knowing my furnace flue is safe and efficient." Next, meet Linda. She's been a loyal Emberstone Charlotte customer for over 5 years. "Every year, without fail, I call upon Emberstone Charlotte for my furnace flue maintenance. Their consistency, reliability, and high-quality service have never let me down. They're not just service providers, they're partners in ensuring my home's safety." Then, there's the story of the Johnson family. "We were about to move into our dream home when we discovered the previous owners had neglected the furnace flue," they recall. Emberstone Charlotte came to our rescue, conducting a thorough cleaning and inspection, and even suggesting preventative measures to avoid future issues. They turned our nightmare into a dream come true. And let's not forget about Rachel. "I was skeptical at first. I mean, how much difference could professional furnace flue maintenance make?" she admits. "But after experiencing the Emberstone Charlotte service, I'm a convert. They took care of every detail, ensuring my furnace flue was in top-notch condition. It's safe to say they've earned a customer for life. Finally, hear from Robert. He's a busy professional who values efficiency above all. With my hectic schedule, I needed a service that was quick, yet thorough. Emberstone Charlotte exceeded my expectations. Their team was in and out in no time, leaving my furnace flue cleaner and safer than ever. Their service is a perfect blend of speed and quality. These are just some of the many homeowners who have trusted Emberstone Charlotte with their furnace flue maintenance. Understanding furnace flue maintenance is crucial to maintaining a safe and efficient home. Now let's talk about key points of furnace flue maintenance. There's a common misconception that furnace flues don't need regular maintenance. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. A furnace flue is an integral part of your home's heating system, and it needs to be maintained just as regularly as the furnace itself. The primary purpose of a furnace flue is to safely vent the byproducts of combustion, such as carbon monoxide, to the outside of your home. This process is critical to ensuring that your furnace operates safely and efficiently. However, over time, soot, creosote, and other combustion residues can build up in the flue, potentially blocking it and preventing it from venting these harmful gases properly. This blockage can lead to a myriad of problems, including reduced efficiency, higher energy costs, and even a dangerous carbon monoxide buildup in your home. Regular maintenance of your furnace flue can help to prevent these issues. A thorough cleaning will remove any buildup, ensuring that the flue can continue to do its job effectively. Furthermore, routine inspections can help to identify any potential issues before they become serious problems. For instance, cracks or other damage to the flue can be repaired before they lead to leaks or other issues. Aside from the safety benefits, maintaining your furnace flue can also have a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency. A clean, well-maintained flue allows your furnace to operate more efficiently, which can lead to lower energy bills. Plus, regular maintenance can extend the lifespan of your furnace, saving you money in the long run. In addition to these benefits, regular furnace flue maintenance can also provide peace of mind. Knowing that your furnace and its flue are in good working order can give you the confidence that you're doing everything you can to keep your home safe and comfortable. It's also worth noting that professional maintenance is often the best choice for homeowners. While some aspects of furnace flue maintenance can be performed by homeowners themselves, a professional service like Emberstone Charlotte will have the expertise and equipment needed to do the job right. Plus, professionals can often spot potential issues that homeowners might miss, ensuring that your furnace flue is in the best possible condition. In conclusion, furnace flue maintenance is an important, often overlooked aspect of home maintenance. It's not just about efficiency, but also about safety. By keeping your furnace flue clean and well-maintained, you can ensure that your home's heating system operates safely and efficiently, providing you with peace of mind and potentially saving you money in the long run. Remember, maintaining your furnace flue is not just about efficiency, it's about safety. At Emberstone Charlotte, we offer comprehensive services to meet all your furnace flue maintenance needs. Our spectrum of services is as broad as your needs are diverse. First and foremost, we offer meticulous cleaning services. Our trained professionals ensure that your furnace flue is thoroughly cleaned, free from the buildup of soot, ash, and other debris that can hinder its performance. This not only helps in promoting the efficiency of your heating system, but also safeguards your home from potential fire hazards. Moreover, we extend to you our expert inspection services. Our seasoned technicians, with their keen eyes and years of experience, can spot issues that might be invisible to the untrained eye. They meticulously inspect your furnace flue for any signs of wear and tear, corrosion, or blockages. This proactive approach helps in identifying potential problems early on, preventing costly repairs down the line, and ensuring the safety of your home. But what if your furnace flue does need repair? Fear not, as we've got you covered. Our team is well versed in all aspects of furnace flue repair. Whether it be minor fixes or major restorations, we approach each task with the same level of dedication and professionalism. We ensure that every repair is done correctly, efficiently, and safely, restoring your furnace flue to its optimal functioning state. We also believe in empowering our customers with knowledge. We provide you with essential tips and guidance on how to maintain your furnace flue, helping you extend its lifespan and keep it running efficiently. We believe that a well-informed client is a safe and satisfied one. In essence, Emberstone Charlotte is your one-stop shop for all things related to furnace flue maintenance. Our commitment to quality, safety, and customer satisfaction is unwavering, and we strive to provide you with services that ensure your home is both safe and efficient. Emberstone Charlotte for all your furnace flue maintenance needs. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action today. We've all been there, putting off tasks until that last minute. But when it comes to the furnace flue that keeps your home safe and warm, the phrase "better late than never" doesn't quite cut it. Regular maintenance isn't just a recommendation, it's a necessity. Think about it. It's not just about efficiency, it's about your safety and the safety of your loved ones. And who better to trust with such an important task than Emberstone Charlotte? With years of experience and a commitment to superior service, we're here to ensure your furnace flue is operating at its best, offering you the peace of mind you deserve. Why not take a moment right now to give us a call or visit our website? Let's schedule a service, and together we can ensure your furnace flue is in top-notch condition. For safety, for efficiency, for peace of mind, trust Emberstone Charlotte with your furnace flue maintenance.